Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Triangle Exercise 6.5 question number 14. Let's see the question. A perpendicular from A on side BC of a triangle ABC intersect BC at D. Now a triangle ABC, a perpendicular from A intersect BC at D. Perpendicular means it is at 90 degrees such that DB equal to 3 CD. They have given DB equal to 3 CD and also D is 90 degree. Now to prove is 2AB square plus 2AC square plus BC square. 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. We don't have BD or CD in the proof, so we want to remove both the BD as well as CD. For that reason, let me write the to prove, that is 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Start with the given. The given it is DB equal to 3 CD. Instead of CD, change DB equal to 2. Instead of CD, we can write BC minus BD. If you take BC and remove BD over there, we will get CD. So instead of CD, we can write BC minus CD. BC taking out from BC taking off BD, we get CD. Instead of CD, we can write BC minus BD, because from BC if we remove BD, we will get CD. So BC minus BD. I am writing the 3 in common. Instead of CD, we are writing BC minus BD. Now multiply 3 inside. So DB equal to 3BC minus 3BD. Now taking DB or BD to one side, we get this becomes plus 3BD or DB. DB and BD, everything is the same. So the distance between these two can be written as DB or BD. Now this is equal to 3BC. Adding this 2, we get 4. 4DB equal to 3BC. Now we can write DB to be 3 by 4 BC. If DB equal to 3 by 4 BC, then DC will be 1 by 4 BC, because only then adding this 2 will get the total BC. So we can also write CD can be 1 by 4 BC. Denominator should be same. To get 4, we need to add 1. So 1 by 4 BC. So CD can be written as 1 by 4 BC. DB can be written as 3 by 4 BC. Now we'll start with the sum, taking two triangles, that is a 90 degree over here. So taking two triangles AB, because we want AB square and AC. So taking this two triangle, writing the by Pythagoras theorem, because of 90 degree, we'll start equating both. Now in triangle ABD, angle D equal to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras we know that AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. Now let me do the another triangle. In triangle ACD, same way angle D equal to 90 degree. So we can write AC square equal to, by Pythagoras, AC square equal to AD square plus CD square. Now in the both case, we have AB square, AC square that we want. Here we don't want AD square. In the both case, AD is common in both the case. We don't want AD square, so I am removing one AD square. Anything you can remove, minus CD square equal to AD square. So instead of AD square, I am just substituting this value here. Instead of AD square, we can write this value here. Substitute 2 in 1. If I substitute this here, it becomes AB square equal to, instead of AD, we have AC square minus CD square plus BD square. We know the value of BD, we know the value of CD, substitute the values here. AB square is equal to AC square. Here minus, instead of CD we know it is 1 by 4 BC. Your square should be common for all the things. It is not 1 by 4 BC square. It is 1 by 4 BC the whole square, plus instead of BC we can substitute 3 by 4 BC the whole square. Now solve this. This becomes minus BC square by 16 plus, here this becomes 3 3s are 9 BC square by 4 4s are 16. We need to square all the terms. Now we can solve. This is a like term, we can solve it. I'll write it again. AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square by 16 plus 9 BC square by 16. I'm writing it again. Now both the denominators are same, so we can directly solve the numerator. So AB square equal to AC square plus 8 BC square by 16. This to get cancelled. Now it becomes AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square by 2. Now taking LCM, here we can't bring this number to here directly. Only then if it is common to both the term you can bring to this side. For that reason take LCM. If I take LCM, just multiply with the number plus BC square by 2. Now bring 2 to this side. So 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. This is what we need to be proved. So we have proved it. So hence proved. That's all with the sum. Thank you.